Hi guys, Emmy and Romina here today. We are about to show you how to make a classic carbonara. So it's really simple, it's just got some few basic ingredients. There's a big debate about whether you add cream or not. In our region, we add cream, so if you don't know add cream, then that's up to you. We're going to start by frying off some pancetta, and you want to make sure your pan's on a low heat because you don't want to burn it, but you want to make it nice and crisp.
So we're using pancetta in this recipe, but honestly, if you can't get hold of it, you can just use normal bacon. We've also got the pasta already on because this pasta sauce is so quick to cook that we can get going straight away, basically. Yeah. While Emmy's over there, I'm actually going to get on with the creamy sauce. So all we got here is 200 grams of single cream, 100 grams of Parmesan cheese, 3 egg yolks, and lots of black pepper. So we're going to go in with the cream. This is single cream. In with the Parmesan cheese. And then we're actually going to only use the egg yolks of our eggs. Okay, that's number 2. And final, I'm going to simply whisk all of that together. It should go nice and yellow with the yolks now. The final thing is to add loads and loads of cracked black pepper. There's no need to add salt in this recipe because that pancetta is super salty anyway. So in with the black pepper. Hey Ems, I'm ready. How are you looking?
Just waiting on the pasta. So in with my pasta. So I'm just stirring in the pancetta on all those lovely natural oils that came out of the fat. And so now you're just going to pour that straight in, and you don't need to cook the eggs in this because the heat from the pasta and the pancetta will just cook it, but you just need to stir it quickly so you don't end up with scrambled eggs.
I would say to add more pepper here, but I added so much earlier on that I think we're pretty much good to go.
I think we're good. So that is it. That's our classic carbonara. Love to know whether you do it with cream, without, but that is our version. Let's dig in.
It's pretty darn good, isn't it?
So good.